What's up guys, it's Tion here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do something extremely cool. So Epic Games released a new update to Fortnite for iOS that now allows you to play Fortnite on your iPad or iPhone with a Bluetooth controller, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do exactly that. So in order to do this, you're going to need to have the latest version of Fortnite, you're going to need your iPad on the latest version of iOS, and you're going to need a controller. That is obviously Bluetooth. Now this is also available on Android, but the only downside to this problem is you can't play Fortnite on iOS with most Bluetooth controllers. You need a gameplay or a SteelSeries controller. If you don't have a gameplay or a SteelSeries controller, this will not work. On your Android device, it is supported with many different controllers, so you shouldn't worry about that. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the settings on your iOS device. Now, I don't have a Bluetooth controller with me, but I do know how to do it, and just by telling you guys, it will work. I've done audio tutorials in the past, and I can guarantee you guys the tutorial will work. Right, let's head to settings. Alright guys, the audio might sound a little different because I've switched location. But once you're inside of settings, you're going to want to make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then turn on your Bluetooth controller, and then in the section where it says search for Bluetooth devices, you're going to go ahead and click the name of your controller and connect it to there. Once again, mine won't show up there because the controller that I have is not compatible with iOS. It is Bluetooth, but it will not work with iOS. Only the SteelSeries and Gameplay editions will work with iOS on Fortnite. So once you pair your controller with your Apple device, you should be able to play Fortnite on iOS. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Go ahead and play Fortnite on your iOS device with a Bluetooth controller. It's been a feature that has been long requested by many users who play Fortnite on mobile devices, since more people are interested in playing Fortnite on an Xbox with a Bluetooth controller. So it is nice to see that Epic Games add this feature to iOS. I hope that other games include the ability for you to use a Bluetooth controller like Black Ops 4, which I think is on iOS now. There have also been some other bug fixes and stability improvements in the latest Fortnite update, so expect to see some huge performance gains. On your Android devices, you do have the ability to play Fortnite at 1080p at 60 Hz rather than 30 Hz, which has already been on iOS for a very long time. It looks really good if you're playing Fortnite on the iPad Pro, since it already has a 120 Hz display, or on any TV that has all the way from a 120 Hz to 144 Hz display. Android devices do not have this because most Android devices have OLED displays and they only can refresh up to 90 Hz. Right guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Go ahead and play Fortnite on your iOS device. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. I've been Tion Official. I'll see you guys in my next one.